Tonight I am working on the Mustang yet again. Got two pieces that I'm going to install. I got one interior piece, a new UPR brushed aluminum headlight knob, and then also some blacked out rear reflectors for the bumper. So I'm going to kind of go walk you through that install and see how it looks. Okay guys, so here is the stock reflector. The ones I got are smoked, and I'm going to kind of walk you through how to get access to the rear to take the two nuts off the back. It's a pretty easy job, not hard at all to do. And then also I already kind of put the UPR knob on, but just kind of recap, this is gonna, I apologize, this is gonna be annoying, but you can see there's a set screw, and you're gonna do that, but the actual stock headlight has a little clip, little hole there. You take a flat screwdriver and you pry like towards you, and you pull at the same time. You have to pull with some force and it'll come right off. So definitely got that, and then that works really good. You can see my my boost gauge over there. So definitely turned out really good. I'm really happy with it. So but anyways, got that done. So now I'm going to work on this. I'm going to get this done and I'll show you what you all have to take off. Okay guys, so on the passenger side here, there's two screws. There's one at the top here and then one at the bottom. And then there's also a push, a plastic push pin right here that you have to take off. And then also on the trunk liner, you have to remove that, the actual panel that goes here and the side panel here. And then there's two 11mm nuts that there's one right there and then right there that you're going to remove. And then that'll give you enough access to be able to pull this away to get to the bolt behind here. And actually I was messing around with it and actually snapped the plastic off. And then also the right here is the new one, and I'll put a link in. They were like 16 bucks online, and they're smoked in color. So definitely put a link in. They're really good quality. Highly recommend them. So I'll put a link in the description for that. I actually did it on my old car that I had. So I'm going to continue working on this and show you how they look with when I get this off, and then I'll put the other ones on and show you before and after. Okay guys, so here it is installed with the smoked, and then here it is just the plain. So definitely gives it a little bit different look. Really happy with it. Kind of hides it a little bit, just makes it look a little different, but it also still has the characteristics of it, of the reflectant. So I think it's going to look really nice once I get it all installed. So now I just got to put these clips on here, and have to button everything up, and should work pretty good. Well, I just finished up the marker light, whatever you, side marker light, I guess you would want to call it. Got this all blacked out. I'd like to eventually maybe smoke these just a little bit. I don't want to do too crazy. I might just get the film cover to put over it, and then get some LED lights just to brighten up the lights a little bit. And then the next thing I'm going to do is probably smoke this as well and get an LED one. And then like I said in the previous video, I got these corner lights coming. They're currently on back order, but once I get those, I'm probably going to sell this as a set, because then they'll be brand new. And I'll get the smoked Cobra headlights. I think that's going to look good. And then I'm also going to get smoked fog lights as well. I think that'll really stand out good. So, and then down the road, I'll probably paint match the side mirrors here. And but yeah, I think that's pretty much it for tonight. I'm going to end it here on this one. So stay tuned for more videos to come. Please subscribe to the channel, and hope to hear from you. So have a good one, guys. Bye.